Okay. Yeah. Whew. And the transportation phase is complete. But while I was transporting the bricks, as we're apt to do at Plan B Engineering, I decided to add another step to our process because we already had negative slack in our schedule, so we weren't going to capture any kind of incentive fee for meeting schedule on this project anyway. Might as well go for higher performance. And so what I've decided to do here for another phase of the project, actually putting the liner on and putting the rocks in. I had some material to help ensure no leaks, and it's called Waterfall foam sealant. I'm going to spray some of this foam material on there by inserting this device onto the top of the can, just like it says in the directions there. And yeah, probably got to take the lid off too. So yeah, they might have missed a step, but it's okay. I mean, I didn't read the directions anyway. So what this does, by spraying this foam on there, it gives us a little better chance of not having a leak. And then also for all of those people out there watching this video who actually know what they're doing, if they're not looking for the tragedy video and hoping for the comedy, I hope that this will continue to enhance the comedic value of my ineptitude by allowing those people who know what they're doing to say, well, if you were going to do that, the quickcrete wasn't really necessary, was it? And that's probably true. Okay, but if we get to the end and neither one of these worked, if we have a good result, then one or more of them worked, and we may never know which. My industry in building complex systems that fly into space, we call that one fault tolerant system, which is geeky nerds way of saying redundancy. So we got two methods here to do the same thing, which is keep the water in the pond. So we got that going for us. So we're going to add that step, and once we're done with that, we're going to go back to stacking these. I can see already we don't have enough bricks. I'm not going to, hopefully I'm not, I might, but hopefully I'm not going to bore you with another trip to the processing facility. So if anyone is actually following Plan B, and why would you? This process, if you need more bricks, is the exact same process as the instructions on the back of your shampoo bottle. So once you get done, kind of going through the steps, that very last step on the shampoo bottle instructions will be the same as the process for pressure washing additional bricks. Wow, Siri really wants me to use this low power mode. I don't know. I'm not that tired. I got plenty of power. No, Siri, I'm not going to do it. All right, we'll film a little more after we spray some foam and stack some bricks.